This is 20th anniversary celebration memorial of Óg Ionnrachtaigh, who was murdered in 1998, and this is the 20th anniversary. So a very, very poignant celebration. At the time of his death, Harry was 28 years old. He played hurling football for Gortnamona and was known for his courage on the pitch, but he was also a local youth and community worker. And his death is remembered every year since, by particularly the members of Gortnamona, as you can see, and by the local community. So this weekend is a very special weekend in which we're celebrating not only Terry as a person, but also the legacy of work that has continued since his death. So today we have, you can see the game out on the pitch. We are also going to launch a new mural which is going to be dedicated to Terry Óg. It was designed and painted by a group of young people from the Upper Springfield area, young members of Gortnamona, boys and girls, who have dedicated 2 murals, one to Terry and the other to the qualities that they feel Gortnamona represents to them in their lives.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
We also have a photo exhibition in the main club lounge, which has been taken of photographs from the last 20 years, and again celebrating the impact that Gortnamona have had, the impact that Terry Óg has had on local people. So it's a really, really special weekend of events. Tomorrow we have 2 mountain walks. Mountains and the outdoors was extremely important to Terry, so we have a walk on the Belfast Hills for the younger members of the club, and we have a more challenging walk in Slieve Donard for older teenagers. That will be taking part tomorrow as well in Newcastle.
Oh, they sure have done.